This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Monday, April 20, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. Dollar-yen is under pressure after a 7.5 magnitude earthquake in Japan, and the S&P 500 is up 1.2% pre-market amid mixed macro signals. Let's break it down.
The S&P 500 is at 710.14, up 1.21% on light volume. The Nasdaq 100 is at 648.85, up 1.31%. The Dow is at 494.22, up 1.77%. Top gainers include Bain up 99.900%, IKT up 19.900%, and LTME up 1.837%. Top losers are F5WS down 99.8%, IPOFWS down 99.77%, and SBTKW down 99.6%. The technology sector is leading with a 1.53% gain, while energy is lagging, down 2.76%.
Cypher, what's the story on earnings and filings today?
Core Scientific reported weaker than expected Q4 results, though no specific details are available. SEC filings today include 8Ks from EUR, Constellation Energy, and American Airlines. Recent dividends include GLQ at $0.07, BYE at $0.20, and SBCI at $0.20.
Pulse, what's the macro picture? The Fed funds rate remains at 3.64%. CPI for March came in at 3.29% year-over-year, above the 2% target, signaling continued hawkish pressure. Unemployment held at 4.3%. No major releases today, but the focus is on the Fed's rate trajectory and the impact of ongoing geopolitical tensions. Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch dollar-yen as tensions in the Strait of Hormuz and the Japan earthquake drive safe haven flows. Monitor the S&P 500 as it approaches key technical levels. Keep an eye on the Fed's rate outlook as inflation remains above target. The most important thing to watch, the interplay between geopolitical risks and central bank policy.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.